Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Fnatic Compact RGB 60 Gaming Keyboard. The super compact build allows you to maximize your desk and mouse space whilst maintaining arrow keys and full functionality. All typical keyboard actions are available on a Smart FN layer. Linear and silent, ultra-fast switches, offering just 1.0mm actuation distance and reduced total travel for faster multi-presso whilst providing significantly improved hand ergonomics. Evolution of keyboards for increased desk space. The numpad, and part of the home cluster has been removed. No functionality is lost because all inputs are easily accessible through the secondary FN function layer and shortcuts. Solid aluminum metal build whilst weighing a featherlight 14.8 ounces guarantees durability and portability. USB-C port is the new modern standard. Positioned in the top left, it will never obstruct your mouse movements. 16.8 million colors to choose from. Customizable in-app software, and saved directly to onboard storage. Custom Fnatic designed keycap profile expels more lighting out of the side of the switch, and spreads it across the whole keyboard to brighten your desk setup. Our second best 60% keyboard is Razer Huntsman 60% keyboard. Razer is one of the most popular brands out there when it comes to gaming peripherals, which also includes a high-end 60% keyboard stated here. The Razer Huntsman Mini 60% keyboard is ranked first on this list because it is the best performing option and is ideal for competitive esports games. It has 61 keys because it employs the standard 60% keyboard layout. The best part about this keyboard is that it has Razer optical purple switches, which are the fastest available. You can expect excellent gaming performance when combined with its wired connection. Because this is a Razer keyboard, it has excellent RGB lighting as well as Razer Synapse support for extensive customization of lighting, macros, and key remapping. Faster than legacy mechanical switches, Razer optical switches use light-based actuation, registering key presses at the speed of light with satisfying, clicky feedback. Ultimate personalization and gaming immersion with Razer Chroma, fully syncs with popular games, Razer hardware, Philips Hue, and gear from 30+ partners, supports 16.8 million colors on individually backlit keys. Quality, aluminum construction, covered with a matte, aluminum top frame for increased structural integrity. Oil-resistant double-shot PBT keycaps, made of textured, high-grade PBT for a more durable and textured finish less prone to long-term grime buildup. Third choice in our list is Corsair K65 RGB Mini 60% Gaming Keyboard. The Corsair K65 RGB Mini 60% mechanical gaming keyboard combines top-level performance with portability. PBT double-shot keycaps deliver exceptional durability with a premium look and feel. With 8000 Hz hyper-polling enabled by Axon Hyper Processing Technology, Cherry MX Speed RGB silver mechanical key switches, and expansive onboard shortcuts, the K65 RGB Mini offers big performance and functionality in a compact design. Vivid per key RGB backlighting is fully customizable through Corsair IQ software, alongside key remaps, custom macros, and immersive integration with select games. Save up to 50 profiles to take with you anywhere with 8 MB of onboard storage. Full N key rollover, Windows key lock mode, and a detachable braided USB Type-C cable make the K65 RGB Mini a high-performance gaming companion at home and on the go, so you can win in any space. Show off your style with dynamic per key RGB backlighting as well as an optional included Radiant spacebar and Corsair logo key, along with a standard bottom row layout. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Diaria DK61E 60% keyboard. If you want a high-performance gaming keyboard for esports titles without spending a lot of money, Diaria and its keyboard offerings are worth considering. Diaria's DK61E 60% keyboard is ranked second on this list because it is one of the best performing keyboards despite its low price. This is made possible by its extremely responsive Gateron optical brown switches. This keyboard has 61 total keys. This keyboard is great because, despite being a wired keyboard, its wire is removable, thanks to its USB Type-C port. Because this is a gaming keyboard, it also includes RGB lighting. Virtual arrow keys and an IPX4 water resistance rating are also useful features. While you do get high-quality PBT switches and a reasonable 1-year warranty, the build quality is a little below average. You can expect excellent gaming performance when combined with its wired connection. Because this is a Razer keyboard, it has excellent RGB lighting as well as Razer Synapse support for extensive customization of lighting, macros, and key remapping. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best 60% keyboard list is Diaria DK63 60% keyboard. This Bluetooth keyboard is easy switch between 3 devices in Bluetooth mode and can be switched at will through the FN function key combination to improve work efficiency. Comes with detachable Type-C high-quality braided cable. DK63 mechanical keyboard adopts a compact keyboard with 60% layout and a small keyboard with arrow keys, saving more space for desktop transformation and improving the portability of office work and travel. DK63 mini keyboard has built-in 8 RGB lighting effects, adjustable LED light brightness and breathing light speed. Through our driver software, this is an RGB keyboard that you can customize the RGB backlight yourself. The battery capacity of this DK63 mechanical gaming keyboard is twice that of most other 60% keyboard, which ensures that the DK63 can be used for a longer time on a single charge. You can check the keyboard battery level through the software page. DK63N's compact footprint is perfect for any desktop. This 60% keyboard supports simultaneous input on the full keyboard, and support 1000 Hz rate of return, no lag, no conflict, smooth typing and gaming. So this gaming keyboard 60% is designed for gamers, office workers, copywriters, programmers, typing teachers and editors.